Regression means finding the equation of a line that fits some data. So here's some data. This is very similar to the problems you have on homework that represents the number of manatee killed by watercraft in Florida in certain years. Now, using a 0 for 1975, we're going to change the numbers on the left to these. Instead of 1975, we'll use a 0. That means in the beginning. This is when we started studying it. 1980, 5, and so on. And so let's draw the graph of these. Here's the dots placed on a graph. Now, the term regression line means the straight line that best fits the data. Now, I'm not going to give you a formal definition of best fits the data. You can take a statistics class and learn what that is. But the general idea goes something like this. I'm going to show you 3 lines, and I'm going to see which one best fits the data. Now, here's what that means. If we take the green line and look at the distances that the dots are away from the green line. The dot over here on the far right, here's the distance from the green line. The next dot is right on the green line. The next dot, here's its distance from the green line. The next dot is right on the green line. Here's the distance this one is from the green line. Here's the distance of the one on the left from the green line. Okay, let's look at the orange line. On the orange line, starting over on the right, here is the distance that this point is from the orange line. I'm making those wide so you can see them. So these are the distances that the dots are from the orange line. And in the purple line, what is the distances the dots are from the purple line? Starting over here on the right, this far right dot is this far from the purple line. The next one is this far off of the purple line. The next one is this far off of the purple line. And the other two are very close. They touch the purple line. Okay, so now, which one of those has the distances that all add up to be the smallest? The line that's closest to all of the dots. Do you see? That would be the purple line. So that's the line that best fits the data. Now, to find the equation, you notice in our chart, we're told that one point is a 0, 6. That would be the y-intercept, 6. Remember where that goes in the formula. To find the slope, we take a dot. We'll just start with the one on the left and recognize if we go up 24 and to the right 10, then we'll be back on the line. So the slope is 24 over 10. That divides to be 2.4. So there's the equation of the line called the regression line. Now we will use the regression line to answer some questions. For example, how many would be killed in 1998 according to the regression line? Well, if 0 represents 1975, then 1998 would be 23 years after that. So we plug a 23 in place of the x and do the calculation. Now, I'm not going to show you this, at least not in the PowerPoint. Maybe we'll do it in class. There is a way, and it's not hard, of using your calculator to find the regression line. You will not have to do that in any of the homework assignments that I've given you. But if you're going to be taking a class where you're doing this, we will do it in class and see how we go about doing that.